Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So right in this video we are going to be talking about on all coins that you need to start looking into right now. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification so let me know at your time. So the altcoins I'm going to be talking about today are the altcoins I feel that you need to start bargaining right now. And even if you don't buy these altcoins in April or you buy it in May or June, but the most important thing is to make sure you have these altcoins in your portfolio in 2022, because I strongly believe that there's still going to be a huge move coming up sooner, and I'm going to be telling you guys the reason why for that. Number one, Cardano will be increasing its block size as part of the hard-fork combinator, which is expected to occur in June. I've been thinking about this time on time, and I've been having this strong feeling that anything could happen when it comes to Cardano price increasing or skyrocketing. But let's see how this is going to pan out, because I feel that this could drive the price to $2 if possible. But the reason why Cardano has been increasing lately has been because Coinbase created a staking protocol for Cardano. So since then, a lot of people has been staking Cardano to earn about 3.something% of a percentage of their crypto, their Cardano. What's the reason for increasing Cardano block size? The reason why for that is because they want Cardano to process a larger transaction per second, and this will work through shading, and they still have a lot that they are going to be working on to achieve this goal, which will take a lot of time. And if you feel that this will drive the price of Cardano, maybe you could be right, because I am also thinking that way. Let me know what you think about this development and how it's going to affect the Cardano price, and let me just know what you think in the comment section if you feel this will drive the price. I strongly believe that this could have a huge upside potential for Cardano. I am still trying to believe something. I think this will drive the price of Cardano. If you are thinking from the same direction of mine, then you will get to understand that this is all about development. So there should be a way this should drive the price of Cardano to $3 or $2, because this is a huge development for Cardano to be able to process larger transaction per second. Then if they could end up with by having about 1 million transactions being processed per second, then that could drive the price of Cardano to $5 or even $10. So this is what I feel. Okay, this is just my critic. Do not take it serious. I'm thinking so much about this, and I think we could hit the mark. So try to buy Cardano, but do not go all in. Okay, just be careful when buying. Number two, we have Terra Luna. Okay, Terra Luna has been doing really well for the past few months, and you guys has been making money from the coin. You've been making money. I told you guys to buy the coin when it was $30-something. Have you not been making money, or you just been? So Terra is a smart contract crypto that makes it possible to create a decentralized stable coin called UST. Okay, and UST, which is the stable coin that you already know, I've been telling you guys to be using, because it is well decentralized than other stable coins out there. So, and UST is backed by Luna Terra native crypto coin. So Luna has been added to a cross-chain protocol, as we all already know that the first cross-chain occurred on Cosmos ecosystem. So this second one has been carried out on Thorchain. So what is cross-chain? For you guys that doesn't know what cross-chain is, so cross-chain is more like an interoperability, which is a communication of each blockchains. When two blockchains communicate together, that's what they call cross-chain. Okay, so this is to enable different blockchains to come together to be able to understand each other through communication, with the core interoperability. So this is the reason why a lot of people missed out on Terra Luna. Okay, so the reason why for that was because people were having doubt feelings. Not just doubt feelings, people were also asking questions like, what would happen to Luna and UST if in any case the crypto market start having huge crash, start experiencing huge crash in the market, because the UST stablecoin maintains the apex through Luna. So what would happen is that if the crypto market start going down drastically, what will happen is that there could be a possibility of UST stablecoin price going from $1 to 0. So that was the fear. And since then, they've been able to solve this problem by having the Luna Bitcoin reserve, which has about 1 billion in it. So how does Luna Bitcoin reserve work? Let's talk about that. Let me explain how it works. So if we get to enter a bear market, Luna Foundation gas Bitcoin reserve, okay, will redeem UST for BTC sooner than Luna, or rather than Luna. This will prevent Luna and Terra's protocol from demising, because if they don't have this Luna Bitcoin reserve in place, what would happen to Terra, Terra's protocol would be that it will, be crushed by the whole crypto market crash, because crypto is so volatile, as we all know. So these are big news for Terra protocol and also Terra holders. Okay, so Terra co-founder is targeting to invest 10 billion additional in Luna Bitcoin reserve. However, they are planning on buying about 125 million per day of Bitcoin for 3 months, and that is very nice. So let me know what you think about this in our comment section. And remember, the reason why they are doing this is because, okay, they want to be able to have so much, in a Luna Bitcoin reserve, so that anytime we get to experience a huge crash, okay, they could now redeem UST for Bitcoin sooner than Luna, okay, or rather than Luna. This will also help the Terra protocol to be more like stronger, so it could be able to last more longer. So this coin is more like a long-term store of value that you can hold on to, and I feel that with time, over the long run, the coin could even hit about $200, because they have a lot that they are still working on. So by looking into Luna Bitcoin reserve, they have about $1.1 billion invested so far, and more will be invested till it gets to an outright amount of 10 billion. Remember, every day they are investing about $125 million in Bitcoin. So that reminds me, could you guys remember when I made a prediction on Luna? I made a prediction saying that Luna's price could get to about, $90 to $150 or something like that. I posted that on YouTube community post, and that same day Luna's price skyrocketed to about $90 or $95 or $93. Have you been able to ask yourself the reason why we've not been able to hit the mark of $450 I told you guys about? The reason why for that has been because Terra team has been selling Luna, so they could be able to cover up the track by investing so much into the Luna Bitcoin reserve. So the last but not the least that we have here is Cosmos. Do you know that Cosmos is the internet of blockchain? Like, a lot of people don't get to understand what it means, but I'll try to break this down. This basically means that if all longevity potential altcoins would survive over the long run, it would be through crossing or interoperability, okay, which refers to communication of blockchains. The Cosmos ecosystem solved this equation so well, and they are the top industry choice so far in the whole crypto landscape. So with that being said, since Cosmos is the internet of blockchain, what people don't understand is that this coin really have an upside potential, and not just the upside potential. Over the long run, a lot of cryptocurrencies are going to be switching to having this interoperability, which is a communication between blockchains, because this is where the world is heading to. The crypto world is heading to. There should be a communication with each blockchain, so this will be able to make all of them to understand each other. So I feel that Cosmos is going to be the top industry choice, and you need to not miss out on Cosmos. Try to go buy one. You can buy one on crypto.com exchange or on Binance. However, if you are looking to invest in low cap coins, I prefer that you go for Anchor Protocol, SLP, CRO. All these coins would be best to start with. They are highly going to break records from my analysis. They have what I desire, so I have them in my portfolio, so you should too. So try to look into all of them and try to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, smash the like button if you like this video, and I'm going to be making more videos like this one. And have it in mind that I'm still your boy, Rennie. Subscribe, turn the bell notification, share this video to all of your friends. I'm so tired, guys. Thanks so much.